Hey guys, welcome back to another trade review. And today we're gonna be reviewing Thursday and Friday trades. So August 13th and 14th trades. And today we're gonna do it in like reverse order. So let's start with MicroStrategy. And MicroStrategy was basically kind of breaking down this tiny consolidation, but we're still in a huge range. And with the support of like index dropping, I was looking at the 10-minute and I missed the first 10-minute retest here. It was kind of like wacky. I was trying to wait for more confirmation and it just dumped to the low day. And when it finally firmed on this like actual retest candle, it just didn't work out and just like wicked me all the way back. Yeah, I got stopped out. It's a really small size and it's 0 DT, so yeah. Small size, small loss here. And next we have Thursday trades. So we have NBIS, and it was basically a day 2 setup. So off the open, I took a gap and go setup here. This is here. Yeah, off the open, I took a gap and go setup. Good trims there. Like I trimmed at like 270, I believe, and then the rest like CBC'd it. And I tried to take a 3-minute retest, did not work out, did not go half day, got stopped out. It ended up being like a 20 EMA retest. And on the 10-minute, it was kind of weird because it's just not retesting the 8 EMA properly. So I did not take this, and it still ended up going half day. And then what ended up happening was I tried taking the 10-minute retest, and it got stopped out. And I took the 30-minute retest also, which is it's like a more rare thing. But it still got stopped out and it ended up like reversing here. And you can see the other day like kind of built back up. We might be able to get a continuation next week. And it's really weird on these setups. And yeah, sometimes I'm just like ignoring this like doji plus engulfing candle signals. Gotta like be more patient on entries. I could avoid a lot of these. And IREN also. IREN was basically gapping up above the 50 EMA, and it's like gapped up above this like doji also. So yeah, off the open it ripped a lot. Let's look at the 3-minute. Off the open it ripped a lot. 3-minute did not retest the 80 EMA properly. It kept ripping. So I believe I took a 3-minute retest. It did not work. And I took like 2 10-minute retests. Did not work out also. Yeah, I was just really impatient. I was trying to force these setups. And I should have known to stop like forcing or taking stabs when market conditions are kind of wacky. Yeah, and like index it was kind of weird also. Like SPY and QQ was ripping like crazy and dropping like crazy. See, on Fridays it was dropping. And then on Thursday it was like ripping the whole day. No retest. And overall, kind of sucks. And I also have to like follow my rules of like actually stop trading when I'm up. Because on the NBIS, the one trade I won off open, I was up $300. And I ended up giving more than that. I ended up being like $12 red on Thursday. So I should have stopped trading after like 2 losses. Just keep my profits. And MicroStrategy, I don't really have anything to say. This is just it's not the best like A+ setup type of thing. I just took a stab just cause I gotta stop like taking trades just cause. And yeah, sometimes it just doesn't work. Overall, I'm doing like not that good this week, and I've been kind of forcing a lot of trades, and like a lot of trades like after backtesting or reviewing my trades like for this week. There's a lot of trades where there's reverse hammer candles and reverse hammer candles or doji plus bearish engulfing candles. Like let's see these ones. Or let's go to 10-minute Microsoft. I think on Thursday. Yeah, Microsoft. Like these candles. Like these like top wicks on bullish setups. That stops working. And I just really gotta avoid them and be more patient. Like sometimes just avoiding trades is a lot better than just winning big. That's how you manage your risk. Yeah. I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully market like picks up a little bit better. Let's look at SPY right now. It's like right now SPY is just consolidating on new all-time highs. We might be able to get some like higher push, but it all depends on how it wants to react. Yeah,